Today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of this HP Deskjet 3788 series. This is an all-in-one printer with Wi-Fi connections. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do an unboxing, a setup, and we're also gonna do some tests or print tests in this video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is April. I'm sorry that I have to do a voiceover because I don't know what happened. Something happened with the voice when I was filming and I lost it. So I hope that you do stick around, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's get started. There's also a manual and a setup guide inside. So this is the dashboard, and you can see this colored and black. So these are only for photocopying. What you can do with the printer is just to print and actually photocopy. Scanning will be done on your mobile with the app. since I already added the HP Smart app previously, that's why it's showing that I already have an HP Deskjet 3700 series. So I'm gonna just go to the printer settings, and then I'm going to remove the printer, forget this printer, and then we're gonna add it back. So normally what you'd see is that when you have the app, you should have this add a printer, and then it's gonna, like, look for your printer. Just have to wait for that to, like, recognize it. Also, you want to make sure that your printer is on, so then it would appear as online. So you just have to choose it, and then it's going to install on its own. Just have to wait for it to finish. Normally, it would actually ask you to log in or create your, HP account. But then because I already downloaded it before and then I just reinstalled it, I think the info has been saved. So after, the whole setup, I'm just going to also do the update for the software or the firmware of the printer. So it's like a normal computer. So we're just gonna go to advanced settings and then go to printer updates, and then you'll have to click that firmware update. It's gonna take some time to complete, but then once it's completed, then you're good to go.
Let me up and make me feel alright, 'cause baby we are always shining bright. Take me home tonight, I just wanna show you the true light. Let me up and make me feel alright. Let me up and make me feel alright, 'cause baby we are always shining bright.
We also ordered some more additional inks because the cartridge is actually small, so I'm not really sure how long it's gonna last. So it's good to have like spare. So I ordered 2 blacks and 1 color. Okay, so I think that's just about it, guys. You've seen how the printer works and it's pretty amazing. I really like it. It's very compact. If you can see, I put it here just beside my laptop. And to print it from the laptop, it doesn't take much time to do the setup and everything. And to do it on your mobile, it's pretty awesome. And we're gonna do a review about this after some time. I bought extra inks as well, as you see. I'm gonna put it in here in the link section down below as well. If you wanted to purchase this item or this printer, I'll also leave the link down below. So if you're new to my channel, my name is April and I'm a mom of twin. I do a lot of product review in this channel, unboxing, tech related videos, and a lot of mommy related videos as well. If you're into that, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So I think we're gonna wrap this up, and thank you so much again for watching. I'm sorry about the initial video. I actually lost the voice. I don't know what happened. And stay home, stay safe. I'm gonna see you in my next videos. Bye bye.